Hello, y'all on YouTube. This is Rob's Nerdy Knives. I got another unboxing, something coming in. I think this might be something from Whatnot or whatever. I don't know. Let's take a look. Today I'm opening my box with my Hinder Eclipse Skinny non-flipper with the fuller. Freaking awesome little knife. The best version of a Hinder I have yet to find, and probably the one I'm going to keep. All right, so we'll take the receipt out of the way. What do we have in here? All right, we have, okay, this is the shirt that I bought for my wife. It is a purple shirt. I wanted her to have a McNees knife, McNees shirt. It was something they had available. McNees has been so kind to the channel. I wanted to do something to support them, and this beautiful shirt, and I thought she would enjoy this. And of course, we got a sticker, and then of course we have a little thing in here. What does it say? Probably like just a really sweet thank you from everybody. Thank you so much for your support. All right, yeah. And then this just looked cool. I don't smoke or anything, but I thought a Zippo would be cool to have. And the fact that it's Jonathan McNees one, I thought this would be cool. I didn't, I thought this was an exclusive on Whatnot. I think you can get these off of Whatnot. I don't know if there's anything in there. Yeah, you need butane for this. So I have to fill it up with butane, and I think, yeah, there's instructions in there. It used to be down here that you would do it. I think you pull this up and then you fill it in inside, if I remember correctly. But it's just cool to have one that you could, and then flip up like that. So that is the McNees knives. So I thought, hey, why not? Because I would use this to light a grill or candles and stuff like that. And I thought, why not? And it's always good to have a little, if you will, Zippo with you. So there you go. That is what we have right here. It's a very small unboxing, but still very cool. Hello, y'all on YouTube. This is Rob's Nerdy Knives. We've got some cool unboxing here with some cool stuff. That's what I mean to say. This is something coming in from OnTheEdgeEDC. I actually ordered some stickers from him, and it's something I wanted to include possibly with some of the anniversaries and some special stuff. So looking forward to this. But he also said he might have sent some extras for the channel. All right, today I'm opening up my box with my brand new Utzler Duckling with the inset liner lock, Magna Cut blade steel, black tie Mascus thumb studs. Just put skiffs in there. Action is delightful. All right, so we got some stuff going on in here. All right, so we got stickers. We'll put those over here. Got other stickers. Looks like we have some stuff for giveaways. Look at that Dream Tech stuff. Okay. All right. Wow. Fancy, fancy. All right, so what do we have here? We have Kraken knife. I'm not sure I know about that. First, the one that I really wanted to check out was I ordered some stickers for, hopefully for the cars. By the way, if you didn't know, On The Edge, he does stickers. So these are going to be, okay, these are laminate ones you can put on the car. A little Rob's Nerdy Knives. Could be just a regular sticker too, but this is meant to be also outdoor resistant. I'm going to be putting one of these in my car. So I'm super excited about that. And look at that, he covered them so you keep them nice and fresh. But that is going to be something, and they're basically car decals, right? So we'll be doing that in the future. Along with, Zug Monster, Zug Monster. Ooh, we got black ones too. Ooh, yeah. Oh, nice. Nice. Okay, I like these. I'm going to say, I think I'm going to probably get more of the black ones because I really dig these guys. These are cool. Okay, but, you let me know. If you have a really dark car, this might be really nice. If you're a light car, this might be nice. But that is stinking cool. Now, I wonder, are these some stickers from him? Maybe he sent me some more of his stickers because he does a lot of cool stickers. I've got a bunch of his. I always give them away in our giveaways. You know that. So what do we have here? Ooh, we got some new one on the, ooh, look, he did a new one. Look at that. On the edge with a cowboy. I like that. And the pew-pew and the knife. That's nice. We got a little 3D holographic. This is good examples of what the stuff he can do, just so you keep in mind if you like some of the holographic stuff right there. And then this one here, I have some holographic versions of this. And then, oh, here we go. Here's the business card. So let me make sure you guys can see that. Make sure it focuses. Come on, focus. Take a little screenshot of that. This is his contact information. If you want to contact him, he's got a little Instagram page right here, website, Cheyenne, Wyoming. So he does photography and graphics photos, decals, stickers, please take a look at that. Go reach out to him. Definitely go check him out. Thank you, On The Edge EDC. I really appreciate that very much. I'm going to absolutely include some of these stickers, obviously, in the giveaways, but these are going to be more like special kind of stickers. I want to put one on my car, by the way, so I'm looking forward to that. But that's what these guys are going to be. We'll put those up here for now. But okay, now we've got a couple of knives. All right, so these look like kind of giveaway knives. You find a knife to open them with. I don't know much about all of these knives, so we will see. So this is the Kraken. I feel like you got to say about the Kraken. All right, so what do we have here? All right. D2 steel flipper. Ooh, not bad at all. Blade's got a little weight, beautiful action for D2. A little light on the detent for the flipper, but it's not bad. It's a flipper only, and this one does work as the push button and the light switch. Okay, very nice. There's not really a place to do a bonus flick. It is pretty dead nut centered. Not a bad little knife. Looks like shredded carbon fiber in red G10. That's really cool. Okay, all right. So we got that. What do we have over here? Probably help if I read the label. This one right here is a Kraken as well. I can't quite read the label. A little small. I need magnifier glasses, even though I got reading glasses on already. Let's see what we have here. Is it the same thing? It looks like it's the same thing. All right, very, very cool. All right, here we go. Look at that. Look at that. All right, so I don't know if these are, I mean, he's starting to give me some nice knives. So this might have to be, you know, oh, and this one also has a little cloth as well. So this one goes with that one right there. That's cool. All right, so we've got that. What do we have here? DreamTech. Now, we've looked at some DreamTech before. We've got some stickers here. What do we have here? All right. So, oh, got extra hardware too. That's nice. All right, so G10. Oh, is that the button there? Yeah. Is that like a Vencor lock? Is that what do they call it? What is this called? It doesn't say. It doesn't say. We'd have to go onto the website, but let's see. Nice flipper. Yep, and it's kind of like a Vencor lock. All right. There we go. Feels like it's brand new. Hasn't even broken in or anything. Looks like, can we reverse flip? Can we reverse that? Wait, hold on. Is that a toothpick? It's like a little tactical toothpick. That's cool. Okay. That's kind of neat. I was not expecting that. That's very cool. All right. Neat. Neat. DreamTech right there. D31 Forge. So what is the blade steel on this one? Made in China. I don't know if it says it. That's just a part number. I'm going to guess it's something like D2 or something, right? Yeah. That's what I bet it is. Doesn't say on here. All right. Very cool. That's neat. All right. So let's see what this other DreamTech is. Is it the same? It is cool when we have a few of the same. It gives us. It is. It is. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Awesome. Oh, no. No. No, no. Oh, this one doesn't have the DreamTech lock. And this has a fuller. Ooh. And a hollow grind, too. Is that? No, flat grind. Feels like a hollow grind. That one's a little bigger, too. Okay. Okay. Definitely a little different. Now, I don't know. Can I get to the fuller in this one? Let's see. Oh, you can, actually. You can. Yeah. Okay. Very nice. I can get in the fuller over here as well. Hold on. A little lower I can. All right. You got a flipper. Very nice. All right. Kind of a unique blade shape. Almost got a little kind of a, I don't know what you want to call that. It's not quite a drop point, not quite a clip point. So very cool. All right. So this is the Tortoiseshell Rough Rider. Oh, this is a slip joint. I've heard of the Rough Rider. I believe this is a Smoky Mountain Knife Works exclusive. Isn't that done by Smoky Mountain Knife Works? I thought the Rough Rider was their exclusive brand. Ooh, that's a crispy walk and talk. Wow. That is a super crispy walk and talk. All right, so we have, ooh, yeah. And we got a nice little blade here. Very nice. Nice little walk and talk of that. How about this guy here? Got another nice little blade here. All right, very cool. So, all right. Well, thank you, man. Appreciate you on the Edge EDC. Thank you for the gifted knives, but thank you for making the stickers. And you guys need to reach out to him if you want some stickers done. Remember, save that little image that I showed you earlier of his business card. Reach out to him. I like these. I'm super excited. I'm going to be giving some of these away. I'll be putting, well, I will be putting one in my car. So, hello, y'all on YouTube. This is Rob's Nerdy Knives. We got something coming in from Zug Monster. You know, I ordered some stuff. Let's take a look and see what we got. Today I'm opening up my box with my BladeBinge exclusive. This is the dark mode, brand new Divo small boy. Love this guy. DLC hollow grind S90V blade steel. A little tight on the camera because this is a big box. Let's get into it though. Whoa, oh, I just hit the camera. That's not good. Let's see, let's get ourselves back centered here. There we go. All right, I hit the camera. All right, so we have quite a few things in here. Let's take them out. See what we got. All right, so one of the things that I wanted to go for some different stickers this time around. Thought it would be fun. This time around, I mean, I already ordered some car stickers, but this is buy what you love and love what you buy, right? So this is a cool little sticker right here. Figure that would be a fun new addition, right? So that's one of them. The other one is obviously going to be our traditional. I think this is the traditional ones, at least I hope it is. Oh, yeah. Okay, so this is a little different too. These are little discs kind of circle ones, so I guess that's a little different, right? So we went a little different. And then, all right, so we have two of the same one here. These are coasters I'm going for, so we'll take that off. Let me take one out. This is going to be my 3-year membership kind of thing, okay? So I was trying to think of what could I do. There's going to be these. There's also potentially some car stickers I bought from OnTheEdgeEDC. He made me some vinyl stickers. So buy what you love and love what you buy. That is one of them. Oops, that's the same one. Let's get a different one over here. I have two of them. One that I like personally. Now, not everybody picked it, so I made the one that everybody picked, right? I went ahead and did that. But the one I liked, the one I wanted to do, I went ahead and did it too. So we'll see. You tell me which one you like more. It's fine if you don't. I think the color pop is a little nice. If I can get them out. Come on. Here we go. All right, so we've got buy what you love and love what you buy, and then we have buy what you love and love what you buy, and this one's the heart kind of thing. So these are coasters. I figured that would be unique, and then we would do buy what you love what you buy, right? That little phrase we've been going with lately. I even have one of the little emojis on there. So I thought this would be fun. I just wanted to share it with you. This is going to be a short video. I'll just share it up here with everybody, but I think these coasters will be pretty cool. Hopefully people will enjoy them. Yeah, it's just my small way to say thank you. I have a bunch, so hopefully you like them. If not, there'll be giveaways, right? For something. So there you go. Let me know what you think about these. I do mean that. I believe in that wholeheartedly, because in the end, they're your knives. It's your collection. You buy what you love, right, man? And then love what you buy. But I thought this was kind of cool, little variation on that one. I only got 500 on this one, I think. I thought it was more. All right, it's supposed to be 500. Let's just make sure. Yep, 500. It doesn't seem like 500 in here. It feels like less, but I don't know. I usually buy, so I bought pretty much 1,000 stickers over here. Yeah, so I bought 1,000 stickers between those two. And then I bought, I think, 100 between these two guys. I thought I only bought, I don't know, are these 50 or are they 25? Oh, I bought 200. Well, we have lots. So there you go. All right, let me know what you think. Hopefully you enjoy them. It's just my small way to celebrate. Here's the thing. I would love to send out really fun stuff and expensive stuff. I got to cover the cost of the shipping of the channel, right? I'm not independently wealthy, and this channel doesn't make a ton of money, and all the money I make goes right back into the channel, like this. I spent all my money buying stickers and coasters, and I thought this would be different. I thought keychains, and then I thought other things that people do, and they're going to be hard to ship. They're going to cost a lot of money. I want to be able to ship them in a letter, kind of a padded letter or something like that, like I do right now with the holographic magnet and the laser printed card for the 1 year and the 2 years. So there you go. Let me know what y'all think. Hopefully you enjoy them. I don't know. Y'all think they're pretty good? Do you think they're kind of, I mean, is it something maybe when you hit 3 years right here for these you would like? Would these be cool stickers to maybe see in a giveaway or something? Let me know. All right. So appreciate you guys. Thank you. Thank you all. All right. So if you found this content fun, interesting, worthwhile, informative, entertaining, any of the above, would you consider hitting that like button down below? And if you've already hit that like button, maybe consider hitting the subscribe button. Subscribing and liking the channel really helps out, allows the channel to produce more content, do more things, ultimately more things for you guys. So thank you to everyone out there who watches the videos as part of the community. Hey, if you haven't already, hit that notification button so you can be notified of future content like this and other videos. Big shout out to my channel members. You do two amazing things. One, you encourage me by your membership, so thank you. Secondly, because your generous support through your membership, you allow the channel to do things way sooner than I thought I could. For instance, the once a week budget banger giveaway, the members giveaway, the milestone giveaways, and then even when I get knives gifted to the channel or given to the channel, I still got to cover the cost of shipping. Then I borrow knives and I got to ship them back. So all those things, and stickers, things that I buy. So thank you. You guys make a lot of this possible. Just so you know, all the money the channel makes goes right back into it. So because of you guys, and I appreciate that. You allow me to make some things that I think are kind of cool, that are a little different, right? And hopefully you enjoy that. So that's my goal. If that sounds cool, there's a link down below. In the description. Oh wait, that's what. So I try to do that. I forget. Two things I want to do for members. One, brand new channel members, email me your name and address and send my new channel member. Love to mail you a channel sticker and a thank you note. So could be a sticker, one of these new stickers, right? So, and then secondly, all channel members are eligible for the once a month members exclusive giveaway. So each week we do a budget banger giveaway, but that 1 week in a month there'll be 2 giveaways. Members, you can enter both, you could win both. I always try to make sure the members giveaway is a little bit nicer than the budget banger giveaway. It's my small way to say thank you, and hopefully something you enjoy win and receive as a gift or a prize, right? If that sounds cool to you, there's a link down below in the description. I have 3 different tiers. Hey, don't sign up if you feel pressure to, but if you choose to do so for any length of time, 1 month, lowest tier, I am honored. Seriously, I am honored. Thank you. Thank you. All right. Some of you guys are going to say, hey, what about the emojis that you can use here in the live stream? What about the anniversary the gifts like these things, right? The kazoo salutes. Yes, there's all that and more. They're just small ways for me to say thank you, to let you know how much I appreciate you. All right. If you didn't know, I do have an Instagram page. Maybe check me out over here on Instagram at Robs_nerdy_knives. Again, that's on Instagram at Robs_nerdy_knives. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day and a great week. Bye.